friends. I'm so happy to see you. Today, we're going to do something that is a surprise. Shh. Do you have an adult in the room with you? Tell them to plug their ears. Today, we are going to make a card for Mother's Day. Won't that be fun? I'm so excited. You know, not everyone has a mom. A lot of families look different. Some kids have a grandpa or a grandma taking care of them, and some have an aunt or an uncle, or one mom or one dad, or even two moms or two dads. Every family is different. You can make a card for someone in your family who you love very much. Today, I'm going to make a Mother's Day card for my mom. Do you want to make a card with me? Okay, great. Before we start, can you think of some reasons why you love your mom? Does she give you really, really good hugs? Does she make you laugh when you are sad? Maybe she likes to read bedtime stories or help you with your schoolwork. There are so many wonderful reasons why we love people. I love my mom because she always listens to me when I need to talk about something. Think about your mom for a second, or someone you love. Why do you love them? Well, I think a card is a great way to show someone that you love them, and that you are thinking about them. Are you ready to make your card? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, are you ready to make our Mother's Day card? Look. Okay, so the front of our Mother's Day card has an umbrella, and it has so many hearts on it. I'll show you the inside of our card. The inside of our card says, showering you with love. Happy Mother's Day, XOX Shaney. Do you know what XOX means? XOX means hugs and kisses. How cool is that? Okay, before we begin, I will show you the different materials that you need. Now, don't forget, this is the card you're making for your mom or the person you love in your life. So you can use whatever colors that you want. You don't need to make it the same as mine. So this time I'm going to make my card blue on the outside, and I'm going to use red for all of the hearts. I also have cupcake liners, and that's what I used to make the umbrella. If you don't have cupcake liners at home, that's okay. You can cut a half circle. You can use any color you want. I also have scissors. Don't forget, if you need some help, ask an adult, because the scissors can be sharp and you don't want to hurt yourself. I also have a popsicle stick, some glue, and of course a marker so that we can write a message inside of our card. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold my paper in half, and this is going to be what I used for the outside of my card. The next thing I'm going to do is take one of my cupcake liners, and I'm going to make it flat. This is a little hard. Just try your best. So I'm going to smooth it all out, and then I'm going to cut it. Now, I'm going to cut mine a little bit more than half because I want my umbrella to be nice and big. So I'm going to cut it like so. There we go. Here's how mine looks. Now, if you're doing the same thing as me and you're using a popsicle stick, you need a lot of glue because it's a little bit hard to stick. So before I glue my cupcake liner on, I'm first going to put the stick in the middle of the paper, and I'm going to put so much glue on it. And then I'm going to press it down and hold it. Hold, 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 hold. Okay, I think that should be good. You know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the top of my popsicle stick just to help the cupcake liner. And I'm going to put a whole bunch of glue on the back of the cupcake liner too. Okay. Put it on top and spread it out as flat as I can. And make sure that it sticks really, really, really well. Oh, one of my sides is not stuck, so I'm going to use a little bit more glue. Wow, look, my umbrella is perfect. Okay, what do you think we need next? Well, I have so many hearts on mine, so let's cut out some hearts. Now, our hearts are going to be very small, so I'm only going to take a little strip of paper. Do you remember how to make a heart? I can help you. I can show you what you can draw. So, if you fold your paper in half like this, then you can draw this shape on it. I'll draw two so that you can see. So I drew them two different sizes because on my card, all of my hearts are different sizes. Here you go. This is the shape that you need to draw. Okay, I think we need to cut out at least 10 hearts. So I'll show you these ones first. Here we go. Here's my first little heart. Look, when I open it up, look how cute that is. Oh, don't forget, if I go a little bit too fast, you can pause the video and you can press play again when you're ready. This one's going to be really, really tiny. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my hearts and you can do the rest of yours. Okay, so I have all of my hearts ready. So now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to glue them on the front of my card. And I'm going to glue some over top of the umbrella and some underneath a little bit too. You can put them wherever you want. There we go. Now I've put all of the hearts on the front of my card. What do we need to do next? Oh, of course, we need to make the big heart for the inside of our card. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing that we just did for the little ones, except we're going to make it bigger. I'll show you the shape again. Here it is. Okay, so here's my heart. Now, before we put it on the inside of the card, we're going to write our message because if we try to write on this popsicle stick, it will be really, really hard. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my card. Showering you with love. Happy Mother's Day. XOX Shaney. But you know what? You can put whatever message in your card that you would like. Okay, here we go. Oh, now I'm gonna put glue on the back of my heart and stick it inside of my card. There we go. Perfect. You know what? I think my mom is really going to like this card. Okay, on Mother's Day, don't forget to wish your mom a happy Mother's Day. If you made your card for your grandpa or your grandma or an aunt or uncle or someone else who you love, you can just give them the card and tell them how much you love them. Now, Mother's Day is a special day, and we should make sure that we treat our moms really well. You could do some different things like make your bed, give your mom a big hug and kiss, or maybe help her clean up after dinner. You know what? I'm sure she will be happy with anything that you do to show her how much you love her. So don't forget, say Happy Mother's Day, and I can't wait to see you again next time. I hope you had a lot of fun. Bye-bye.